Today, we're going to talk about how cultivating deep work can be the key to unlocking financial freedom, personal fulfillment, and even more fun in your life. Deep work, a concept popularized by Cal Newport, is when you engage in professional activities with distraction free concentration. This is where your brain is pushed to its cognitive limits, creating high value output that's difficult to replicate. On the other hand, shallow work consists of tasks that are easy to replicate and are often done while distracted, like responding to emails, hopping between meetings, or scrolling through social media. No matter where you are in your career, whether you're climbing the corporate ladder, building a side hustle, or launching your own business, deep work accelerates your journey to financial freedom. Deep work isn't just about making more money. It's about maximizing your efficiency so you can achieve your goals faster and still have time for the things that matter. Many people think financial freedom is the ultimate goal. But the truth is, once you achieve it, you realize that freedom itself isn't what makes life meaningful. It's what you do with that freedom. The most successful people don't stop working once they're financially free. Instead, they focus on work that is engaging, challenging, and meaningful. Work that puts them in the flow state. And that's deep work. Whether it's writing, creating, solving complex problems, or building something new, the most fulfilling work you can do is the kind that demands your full focus and attention. So if you're serious about reaching your goals, whether financial, creative, or personal, start by building your deep work muscle. Not only will you unlock new levels of productivity, but you'll also create more time for the things you truly enjoy.